Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about easy fall mantle decorations. Hello, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. How's everybody doing? Today I want to talk about easy fall mantle decorations. I love to decorate for fall. It's not my favorite season for allergies, but that's a whole other video. I have always loved the look of fall bunting or fall garland on mantles, but I haven't really found one that really fit in with my style or with my decor really. So when I got my Cricut, I knew that that was something that I wanted to make. I wanted to show you guys how I made it, and then hopefully you guys will want to make it too. So let's head over to my blog. We'll head over there, we'll get the file, and then we'll head to Design Space and I'll show you how we make it. Okay, we're here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the free library, you can hit the Get Access tab and you fill out a form and you'll get emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. After you type in the password, you'll be brought to all the files. You want to look for the Fall Bunting Garland. Click on that, download it to your computer. And now that we are in Design Space, we are going to grab that file by clicking Upload, then Upload Image, and browse to where we downloaded the file to the computer. And click Open, and Save. Click on that image, and click Insert Image, and we'll bring it into our canvas. Zoom out here a little bit. You can ungroup this if you want, although it's not necessary for this design. I'm just going to drag it out so that you can see all the separate pieces. There we go. And we can head up to the green Make It button. And here you will see all of the layers. And I'm going to combine all of the black vinyl onto one mat. There we go, that looks good. And hit continue. Alright, for the first two layers, the black and the orange layers, I'm going to choose the vinyl selection. And then for the pennant parts of the banner, it is all going to be craft cardstock. So we can go ahead and start cutting everything out. Okay, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our craft cardstock, and our vinyl, transfer tape, Cricut scraper, and some twine. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit so you guys don't have to watch that entire process. Alright, now that everything is cut out and weeded, I'm taking a piece of the transfer tape and rubbing it over one of the vinyl pieces. Use your Cricut scraper to make sure that there's good adhesion there. And I do apologize for the video quality here. The camera zoomed in a little bit on this portion. So I peeled it off of the backing, and now I'm placing it onto the craft paper, centering it onto the piece of cardstock, use your Cricut scraper to make sure that it sticks well. I love this transfer tape because it's not very tacky. It's almost like a big piece of masking tape, so it's perfect for cardstock applications. And slowly peel the transfer tape away. You don't want to rip too fast because it could rip the cardstock. There we go. And then continue to do that with the other pieces. And now I'm just going to feed the twine through the holes on the cardstock. You can do this however you prefer, whatever look you're going for. It's totally up to you. And then I just use the 3M clear Christmas light holders onto the mantle, tied a knot in the twine around the holder. And this is what it looks like. Cute, huh? Wasn't that easy? I really couldn't believe how simple it was. I don't know why I waited so long to actually make it. The cardstock, the way that the twine goes through the front of the cardstock, really it adds dimension to the cardstock, so it's not just a flat piece. So it really does look, when you're standing back a little bit, it does look like fabric bunting. I'm really quite pleased with it. I hope that you guys are too. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I've got lots of craft tutorials, card making, t-shirts, decor, all kinds of good stuff there. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will talk to you all later. Bye.